Ah, here you are. It is day 78 of our journey. I'm recording this log for you like before, but I am uncertain if you'll ever see it. I spy the brightest star in the distance. It's Uluru, our little planet. I remember that day in Starfall Forest when I said I wanted to take you there. I haven't forgotten, but fulfilling my promise might take a bit longer. Yesterday, I shared with you what happened from the day before. As for today, there's nothing particularly interesting to report. Oh, I borrowed Jeremiah's poetry collection to kill some time. He doesn't read it anyway. I found an interesting poem. Do you want to listen to it? I won't be able to hear your response, so I assume it's a yes. O celestial body of mine, slumbering adrift in darkness, which never heeds the whispers of life, till it fades into oblivion, nothingness. If I make a mistake, you can't mock me. A shining little spark I yearn to be, illuminating yonder the cosmos. Never does it reveal the true path, till drops saturate the stardust veil. As such, guide me, O radiance to dispel the mists. Guide me, O laments to seek distant echoes. Yet, when lightning blows away stardust, I cease. Forgotten dreams rush before my eyes. O celestial body of mine, slumbering adrift the darkness. Along this path I walk, lightning blows away stardust. But I cannot stop here. What I'm trying to say is, I miss you. I'll talk to you again tomorrow.